Hey guys, today's video is all about my closet transformation, and in this video I'm going to be sharing the before, and later on you are going to get to see the reveal of the brand new closet. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm Tyler. If you like what you're seeing or you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, or better yet, you can subscribe to my channel. My husband and I recently moved into our new home, and as somebody who is really into fashion, clothes, accessories, shoes, all that stuff, it's no wonder that I'm prioritizing this closet first. I'm not looking to do anything too crazy. For me, having a space that is functional and keeps things organized, a space that is optimized, and that features and lets me access all my stuff. So this is really the space that I'm trying to create. Okay, so let me show you my closet as it stands now. So at the moment, as you can see, it's a fairly basic walk-in closet, nothing fancy. There have been some shelves that have been installed on each of the three walls. In terms of the lighting in the closet, currently as it stands right now, there is one sort of LED pot light in the center of the closet, and it gives off a decent amount of light, but I think there might be a better option or a better choice. Sadly, there are no windows in this closet, so unfortunately for me, that means no plants can be included in this area. That being said, I think I may have a way around this. You'll just have to wait for the reveal. So in the end, I did end up going with a Container Store Elfa closet system. This video isn't sponsored by Container Store or anything like that. I think they offer a good solution for a reasonable price. Now, I have had Container Store closets in the past, and I think for me, one of the things I like best is having access, after everything is said and done, to other Elfa closet system parts like shelves and all of the sort of accessories and add-ons, as well as obviously having access to Container Store locations itself, I think means a lot. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you wanted to change or add anything down the road, basically by having access to the Container Store itself or ordering something online, you know, you're able to upgrade or make those changes if it's, you know, getting better shelving or whatever it is that you're looking to do. So before I show you guys the closet design that I created, there are obviously some of my own sort of pieces and a couple pieces of furniture that I want to include to personalize this space. So let me go ahead and show you guys those pieces now. I want to use this mirror from Menu Design. Now, it actually looks kind of on the smaller size, but this mirror is great for getting a full body or a full length reflection, so you can really check out yourself, see the outfit that you've chosen, and I think it will be a great addition to this closet. In terms of seating in the closet, now it's not the largest closet by any means, but I really think that I could either use this BluDot stool I have, or maybe this Restoration Hardware stool, which I totally love because it's super comfortable, and I just really love the mohair fabric that I had chosen out. Although it's on the bigger side, I'm not sure if it will fit in this space. I mean, which one would you guys choose? I do want to include some artwork as well, and I have a couple of pieces that I'm kind of trying to decide on which one to include. Now, this particular piece of art I actually drew back in 1998. Oh my god, I'm aging myself. When I was back in high school, it was from a Gucci ad, believe it or not, of Naomi Campbell with those amazing sunglasses leaning back. And I love this piece. I haven't had the opportunity to hang it anywhere, so this is definitely in the running to be included in this closet. Now, one of the things I'm still a little bit unclear on is the choice of lighting. I don't know if I should switch this out for something different. And I was sort of toying around with the idea of using some wallpaper on this back wall. I'm still not sure, and I still need to figure that out too. All right, so I need to clear out the rest of the stuff in here so that the closet can be installed. So guys, the installation went really well. I'm really happy with how it turned out and how it's all come together. As you can see, I kept the closet infrastructure on the left and right sides of the closet and kept the back wall open and free, which will be a great spot for the mirror. I'm definitely more into hanging clothes than folding them, so I didn't shy away from a decent amount of space to hang clothes. I was able to include some interesting features and display areas for different types of things and accessories. So, for example, I put in multiple shelves for shoes. Now I will have a great place to display and store about 12 pairs of shoes. It was also important to me to include multiple drawers. I think that this is the easiest and most convenient way to store underwear, socks, and undershirts and that kind of thing. Also, I'm going to use this top drawer and organizational insert thing to keep ties and belts nicely separated and organized. As I said, I love jewelry and accessories and wanted an effective way to store and display these items I wear regularly. I think by including some of these metal shelves and pegboard and acrylic containers will be a nice way to see what's there, display it, and keep it all nicely organized. It was important for me to include one of these valley rods. They can be pulled out to hang wet clothing, or if you're setting out an outfit, they work perfectly for that as well. Also, the row of shelving along the top of either side will be a great place to store shoe boxes and other things I don't need to access daily, but they can be stored away in the closet. Let me know what you guys think of the design I created. Have I missed anything? Let me know in the comments. So the transformation isn't quite complete. I still need to add the final touches, all my stuff, and the remainder of the design elements. So guys, the closet is finally all done. It's a finished product and I could not be happier with how everything has turned out. So let me take you on a quick tour of my brand new closet. So first and foremost, I just could not resist going super bold and over the top with this feature wall at the back. I've installed this fabulous Gucci wallpaper all the way from Italy. It provides the perfect backdrop for the mirror and the stool that I chose to go with. This little ottoman will work great for putting on shoes or for taking a quick seat. The mirror provides the perfect reflection length so you can see a full length body reflection from head to toe. On Instagram, I had discovered a South African artist, Andre Serfontaine, and I'll share his info in the description, and he did this awesome portrait of me, which I absolutely love. With the monstera leaves as the background, it's just absolutely perfect. On the other side above the drawers, I have a ton of space to display accessories, jewelry, and all of that kind of thing. I think it worked out really well. I have a spot for all of my seeing glasses, sunglasses, cologne, and even watches and some more jewelry. I'm happy to have incorporated this pegboard as well because these bins, I can use them for bracelets and other things, and I've used these hooks to display some necklaces as well. I even installed another valet rod to hang longer necklaces that wouldn't fit on the pegboard. Moreover, I have a spot for my bags and my luggage, and even my Remodel packing cubes have a little spot to be tucked away in here. I have to say that I'm actually a little bit sad that the design process is over for this closet. That being said, I am absolutely in love with how everything has turned out, and I'm so grateful to have a closet and a space like this in our new house. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my closet makeover and transformation video. That's it for me. Miss you already. See you next Saturday.